If you want to hide the photos and videos on the Redmi 15C, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the Gallery app, then tap and hold on a photo or a video to select it. Now just select the remaining photos or videos which you want to hide. Now after you select your photos and videos, then tap on Add to Album, and from here just select Private Album. Select OK. And after you do that, you will add your selected photos and videos to the private album, and they will be hidden from your Gallery app. Now, if it is your first time doing that, it will ask you to create a password for the private album. After you create a password for your private album, just enter it one more time to confirm it. And after that, you will hide the selected photos and videos from your Gallery app. Now, to find the hidden photos and videos, just tap on the album icon over here. Now just swipe down. Then tap on Cancel, and from here just enter the password which you have created. And as you can see, over here you will find all the photos or videos which you have hidden. And this is how you can hide photos and videos on the Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.